H. And the sound for today, we have two sounds with the same, they look the same, but they have different sounds. The other one has to vibrate, the other one doesn't vibrate. Let's try to bite our tongue and say the sounds. Example, that, this is the sound that vibrates on the tongue. This, that, they. The other sound, it doesn't vibrate on your tongue, but still you have to bite your tongue. Let's try it. Thin, thump, three, moth, cloth. You see, there's a difference in the sound. So let's hear the story. The two clowns are naughty. One clown is a little bit lewd. He sticks the tip of his tongue out and makes a sound. The other clown is very rude. He sticks his tongue right out and makes a thud sound. As you can see, we have a lot of examples. With, father, this, that, then. The one doesn't vibrate, it makes a gray sound. Thump, thin, three, moth, cloth. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye, guys. Have a nice holiday. See you later.